In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear under Autofill service next to Google, and tap on blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off. But you can always switch it back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!